Hey there, little music stars. Welcome to the instrument wonderland. Have you ever seen a harp? It's like a beautiful golden triangle with shiny strings. When you pluck the strings with your fingers, it makes magical sounds, like the music of fairies and angels. The harp has lots of strings, and each one makes a different sound. Some are high and sparkly, like raindrops, and some are low and calm, like waves in the ocean. It's so big and special that you can sit next to it and play soft, dreamy songs or happy, cheerful tunes. The harp has been in stories, castles, and even fairy tales for hundreds of years. Wouldn't it be fun to play music as magical as a fairy song, ready to touch the strings and make the world sparkle